Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'll demonstrate to you how you can resolve your Unity app crashing. In particular, the Unity app that's meant for augmented reality. I'm going to fast forward this section of the demonstration so that you can actually see things move faster. So the whole intent is to compile this and upload it to my phone here on the side. So I'm going to fast forward here. As you can see, the Unity app is loaded and running, and when I click on animals, it's supposed to open, but what it does is it crashes. So if you have that same kind of scenario, I'll demonstrate how you can resolve it. So first of all, you have to go to player settings right at the bottom here and scroll down here and look for Scripting Backend. Change from mono to IL to CPP, and then what you do is that you enable ARM64. I'm going to leave ARM7 as it is for now and try to compile it again. Okay, the Unity is launching now. I'm going to press on the animal button again. And this time around, your Unity app is running. I hope this tutorial helps. If it does, please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot and have a good day.